Welcome to Quick Particulars. This video discusses India's position as the fifth largest economy in the world and factors that have supported nation's journey to enter the list of top. India, the fifth largest economy in the world, is a diverse and vibrant nation located in South Asia. With a rich history spanning thousands of years, India has emerged as a global powerhouse in terms of economic growth, technological advancements, and cultural influence. This video will provide a detailed overview of India's economy, highlighting its key sectors, strengths, challenges, and future prospects. Economic size and growth. As of the knowledge cutoff in September 2021, India's nominal gross domestic product, GDP, stood at around $3 trillion, making it the fifth largest economy globally. However, please note that economic figures can change over time. India has witnessed remarkable economic growth over the past few decades, with an average annual growth rate of approximately 7%. The country's demographic dividend, with a young and growing population, has played a significant role in driving economic expansion. Services sector. The services sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP, accounting for over 50% of the total. It includes subsectors such as information technology, IT, telecommunications, banking, finance, tourism, and healthcare. India's IT industry, in particular, has achieved global recognition, with the country being a major hub for software services, back-office operations, and business process outsourcing. Manufacturing sector. Manufacturing plays a crucial role in India's economic development, contributing around 15 to 17% of the GDP. Industries such as automobiles, textiles, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and electronics have witnessed significant growth. The Make in India initiative, launched in 2014, aims to boost domestic manufacturing and attract foreign investment in various sectors. Agriculture sector. Despite its declining share in the GDP, around 15 to 17%, agriculture remains an important sector in India. The country is a leading producer of various agricultural commodities, including rice, wheat, sugarcane, cotton, and dairy products. However, the sector faces challenges related to low productivity, inadequate infrastructure, and the need for agricultural reforms. Demographic dividend. India's large population, which is projected to surpass China's in the near future, provides a significant advantage in terms of labor availability, market potential, and consumption-driven growth. Entrepreneurial spirit. India has a strong entrepreneurial culture, with a growing number of startups and innovation hubs. The country has produced successful technology companies and entrepreneurs who have gained global recognition. Knowledge and skills. India has a vast pool of skilled professionals, particularly in the fields of technology, engineering, medicine, and management. Indian engineers and IT professionals are sought after worldwide. English proficiency. English is widely spoken and understood in India, providing a language advantage for international business and attracting outsourcing opportunities. Digital transformation. India is undergoing a digital revolution, driven by the increasing penetration of smartphones, affordable internet access, and digital payment systems. This transformation has the potential to revolutionize various sectors and create new opportunities for innovation and entrepreneurship. Renewable energy. India has made significant strides in renewable energy, particularly solar power. The country aims to increase its share of renewable energy in the overall energy mix, presenting opportunities for investment and sustainability. Urbanization. India's urban population is growing rapidly, presenting opportunities for infrastructure development, smart cities, and the growth of consumer markets. Economic reforms. Continued economic reforms, including ease of doing business measures, tax reforms, and liberalization, can further enhance India's economic growth and attract foreign investment. In conclusion, India's status as the fifth largest economy in the world reflects its growing economic prowess and potential. While the country faces various challenges, its strengths in services, manufacturing, and skilled workforce, along with ongoing reforms and transformative initiatives, position India for continued economic growth and global significance. Thanks for watching.